Your mind won't stop. The same thoughts, spinning endlessly. What if I said the wrong thing? What if they think less of me? What if I fail? What if? What if? What if? You're trapped in your head, replaying the past, rehearsing the future, never actually here, never actually present. The Stoics knew this trap well, and they had a solution. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Confine yourself to the present, not yesterday, not tomorrow, right now, this moment, this breath." Because overthinking isn't thinking at all. It's suffering in advance for things that haven't happened and may never happen. Seneca said it plainly, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Think about that. Most of your anxiety, your stress, your sleepless nights, they're about scenarios you've created in your mind, conversations that haven't happened, outcomes that don't exist. You're torturing yourself with fiction. Epictetus taught that we have two handles to every situation. One leads to suffering, the other to peace. When you overthink, you're grabbing the wrong handle. You're trying to control what you cannot control, other people's thoughts, future events, past mistakes. But here's what you can control, where you place your attention right now. The Stoic practice is simple but not easy. When your mind spirals, ask yourself, is this thought about something happening right now in this present moment? If the answer is no, release it. Not suppress it, not fight it, just acknowledge it and return to now. What are you doing in this exact second? Are you breathing? Are you safe? Are you alive? Then you have everything you need in this moment. The rest is commentary. The rest is your mind trying to protect you from dangers that aren't there. Here's your practice. When overthinking grips you, physically ground yourself. Feel your feet on the floor. Notice 5 things you can see, 3 things you can hear, 1 thing you can touch. This isn't distraction. This is reclamation. You're pulling yourself out of the mental prison and back into reality. The Stoics understood something profound. The present moment is the only place where life actually happens. Everything else is memory or imagination, and you cannot live in those places. You can only suffer in them. Stop trying to think your way out of overthinking. That's like digging yourself out of a hole. Instead, notice your thinking, observe the spiral, and then, with quiet strength, choose to be here instead. Your mind is a powerful tool, but right now it's using you. Take back control, not through force, but through presence. The answer to overthinking isn't more thinking. It's awareness. It's now. It's this breath, this moment, this one singular point where your power actually exists. Be here. That's where freedom lives.